Hello and welcome guys. In this video we learn how to get back command prompt in your Windows Start menu. Friends, if you are right click on Windows Start menu and you are not seeing here command prompt, so you can get back. So simple, click on Start and click on Settings. In here click on Personalization. Now in here click on Taskbar. So here is the option replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu. When I right click the start button or press Windows key +X, so default it is the on position, toggle into off position. Now right click on start menu, so you will see the back command prompt in start menu. So by this setting you can get back command prompt in start menu. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.